In this lesson, we are going to learn nouns as modifiers. That means nouns modify the other nouns. It adds some meanings to the other nouns. So when we see the examples, we are going to learn better. The first example, the soup has vegetables in it. So what kind of soup is this? It's a vegetable soup. Vegetable soup. We can say it's a chicken soup or lentil soup. The test lasted 2 hours. So what kind of test is that? It was a 2-hour test. It was a 2-hour test. So we have to be careful. First, here we say 2 hours, but when we use as a modifier, we don't add the s. We just say 2 hours. Also, we add this mark between them. So same thing happened in here. We say vegetables, but we say vegetable soup. We don't say vegetables soup. We say vegetable soup. So her son is 5 years old. So he is a 5-year-old son. And if you use in a sentence, she has a 5-year-old son. We don't say 5 years old. We say 5-year-old son. We don't add the s. Also, we add these marks between them. I will get 3 credits for that course. So we're gonna modify the course. We say it's a 3-credit course. 3 credit. We don't say 3 credits. We say 3 credit, no s. So here another example. That food is for dogs. So what kind of food is this? So it's a dog food. We can say cat food. So it's a dog food. Someone who robs bank. So we call them is a bank robber. He's a robber. What kind of robber? Bank robber. So we have more examples here. Someone who collects stamps. We call them he's a stamp collector. Again, we don't add s. We say he's a stamp collector. Someone who trains animals. We call that person is an animal trainer. He's an animal trainer. Someone who makes trouble. We call him, he's a troublemaker. Someone who reads minds. We call them, he's a mind reader. He's a mind reader. We don't add s. Mind reader. Something which kills pain, destroy pain, right? Something destroys pain. So we call the pain. It's a painkiller. It's a painkiller. So it's a medicine. We call them painkillers. Something which opens can. We call it. It's a can opener. Someone who owns a home. If somebody owns a home, that person is a homeowner. Is a homeowner.